The seals are fishing out at sea. Only walrus join the bears on the shore. But adult walrus are gigantic. They weigh 2 tons and, armed with long tusks, they're too dangerous for bears to take on. During these ice-free months, the bears' bodies almost shut down. They are zombie bears. Overheated, hungry. But some bears refuse to take the summer lying down. This bear is doing something really extraordinary. It's hard to imagine a place less suited to a polar bear than 300 meters up on a crumbling sea cliff. Guillemots nest here in their thousands precisely because it's so dangerous for land-living predators. But the sounds and scents of a bird cliff can be irresistible to a starving bear at the end of summer. Desperation has led him to risk his life. The only prize to be had, a few eggs and chicks. It is an extreme gamble. He works methodically, scooping up the contents of every nest he can reach. The bear moves slowly and carefully. He lives and sleeps amongst his prey. The guillemots can't prevent the carnage. Nonetheless, some bravely try to do so. The polar bear will remain on the cliff until the end of summer, when the guillemots will leave. And at that moment, a fox will take his chance.